saying, this palette is just amazing. All right, so starting off with the first look, I'm going to go in with the shade Carnelian and put that on the crease. Transition shade, you know. Then I'm going to go in with Jade. This is going to be the main kind of shadow for this look. I'm going to get a little packer brush and then just go ahead and pack this on the outer corners of my eyes and really just keep smudging that in and kind of bringing it forward to like my tear duct area. And then I'm going to go in with the, you can go in with any concealer or anything, but today I decided to use the Makeup Revolution canvas, which I have done a review on. If you guys haven't seen that, go check it out. But I'm going to apply the shade Pearl right to the lid with my finger, and just look how freaking gorgeous that is. And I'm going to go in with the brush that I used the green with and just blended that all together so it wasn't, well, not all together, just blended the sides so it wasn't so harsh of a line. Then I went ahead and added some black liner, so I can already tell you guys right now, the liner came out way too thick than I wanted. I did a wing liner as well, and then I went in with the Urban Decay liner. I will let you guys know which one it is right below. I actually don't have it in front of me, but you guys are going to be seeing me use this in a first impression video. That will be up a few videos after this, so be sure you stay tuned for that. So is the final look for that first look. I did add some mascara, but yeah, you guys saw how easy this look was. This palette's amazing. It blends out amazing. The pigmentation is amazing. So yeah, so second look, we're going to be going in with this blue shade right here. This is Sapphire, and I'm just going to be packing that on just like I did the green in the first look, and just packing that on that area and really just blending it upward in like soft like strokes. And I'm going to lightly be brushing that over to my tear duct area as well. This is kind of a lot of the thing, like I do this a lot with my shadows. I just feel like it works really well. Then I'm going to go in with this gorgeous shade right here. This might have to be one of my favorite shades in this palette. This is the Aquamarine, I cannot pronounce names, shade, and I'm applying it with my finger. Then I'm going to go in with some NYX glitter glue, y'all. I finally picked this up. I really love it. I'm just going to apply a little bit onto that shadow and then go in with this gorgeous glitter. This is the pressed glitter in Opal, and just tap that right onto my lid for some sparkle. This just brought the look all together. Then I'm going to go in with the brush and just make sure again that there is no harsh lines and blend that all together. I'm going to go in with the Milani Stay Matte Stay Put liner and apply that. Now you don't have to do a blue liner with this look, but I did a look on Instagram recently and y'all just absolutely loved it with this blue liner, so I wanted to use it again. But you can do this look without a liner. You can use a black liner, but you really want to make sure that that liner, I'm being extra right here and using my fan, but you want to make sure that eyeliner is dried down before you even like go to blink. So here is the finished look. What do you guys think? Which look do you like better? They were both so much fun to do. If you want to see more tutorials with this palette, definitely let me know down below. This palette is gorgeous, and I want to say congratulations to Kathleen Lights. You guys, I have been supporting her for so long now. She is one of my favorite YouTubers here. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure you subscribe, like, hit that bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Let me know how you like these kinds of videos because I will do more. Yeah, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.